My name is Rohit Pandey, and today in this impromptu speech, I am going to speak upon a recent book which I have completed. So recently, about 3 to 4 months ago, I have completed reading a book. The book was in Marathi, and the title of the book was "गोष्ट पैशा पाण्याची." Simply meaning the story of money, and it was written by author Prafulla Wankhede. And in this impromptu speech, I will just give a short summary of what that book is trying to say. So that book has very simple logic. The logic is, if you are starting any business, don't do that business for namesake, or don't do that business for only doing business. You have to implement, or you have to uh, remind yourself that you have to keep the human values as well. Like if you are doing some hotel business, or if you are doing any other or if you are doing some business related to machine parts also. So your business or your area might be different, but you are dealing with humans. Humans are those which have who have emotions, and any business relation is incomplete without forming or having a good relationship on a personal level. So the book basically talks about how you can keep the human values and how to behave ethically while on journey of starting your own business, or any other layman who is not doing business can also read that book, and he can learn about some human values, like how you should help your colleague, or how you should help your neighbor or anyone. So that positive change will be connected, and your life will also become better. And basically the dharma philosophy is explained in that book, that if you do good while staying in any area of your life, so your life will be also better. And that was about the book. And at the end of the impromptu speech, I would like to tell you and my audience which is watching me on YouTube, that book reading is a very good habit. You should not quit it. If you are scrolling phone, means you can go to settings, and you can see your watch time of your phone. It may be 3 hours, 4 hours, and up to many. And if you have watch time of plus 4 hours, then it is very bad. And you can try to uh, cut down that hours from that waste activity of scrolling phone, and you can just read a few pages of any book. The book may not be related to your field, but you can read that book, and that book will surely give you uh, enough knowledge, or it can simply increase your vocabulary. Thank you.